Hey guys, thanks for tuning in, and today we'll be giving away the Hubsan
X4 GPS drone. This one's called the H501s. You may have seen this before. It's a very popular Hubsan drone with GPS. It's got brushless motors. Really good one. I did a bunch of reviews on this, and it's just a great starter drone. Of course, it doesn't have any image stabilization, but it does do HD. It flies for around 20 minutes. And just a great drone. Did a bunch with it, range tests, modifications, all kinds of stuff. But anyway, today Sanaiya and I are giving one of these away from our sponsor GearBest. GearBest is really good at honoring their giveaways. I have had no trouble with GearBest sending out everything. I've been sponsored from them for the giveaways. I wish I could say the same thing for Banggood, having a little bit of problems with Banggood. So Banggood, if you're listening, please get it together and send the people that are winning the giveaways you sponsor their products. Again, GearBest, no problems, and this is sponsored from GearBest. So Sanaiya is going to say a little bit about how to enter this awesome giveaway. There's going to be one winner, and she's going to tell you all about it.
First, to enter this giveaway, you have to like this video, then you have to subscribe to this video, then leave a comment, then finally, you have to visit the link below in the description. Got it.
So 4 things: like, comment, of course. From your comments, that's the way we're going to randomly pick a winner. There's going to be one winner again that's going to win this awesome drone. It's going to be sent to you directly from GearBest. Usually GearBest, after the winnings and after the person's chosen, and I give them the name, usually the winner is getting them in between like 2 weeks and a month. So really good. They're really good at getting the winners their prizes. And also, this is a giveaway for subscribers. Of course, you guys are what makes this channel possible, so we love giving back, getting sponsors to have us give away stuff. I even give away some of my own stuff I have, just if there's not a sponsor that wants to give away something at the moment. I usually try to do one giveaway a month. Last month we didn't even get a chance to give away something because we were so busy on vacation and stuff, so we're giving away actually more stuff than just this this month. I'm running a consecutive giveaway sponsored by Tenergy, and we're giving away these 2 Python drones in a different video, so check that out. That's not in this video, but I'm having that video running side by side with this one, so check out my channel so you have a chance to win actually 3 items if you enter both giveaways. But this one's just for the Hubsan H501s, and this is really just to give back to the subscribers because you guys are there, you guys are what make this happen, and we want to give you guys some good stuff in return so you can enjoy flying as well as we do. Last thing you got to do that Sanaiya mentioned was number 4, was visit that link in the description. GearBest is having some great sales right now. They're having some kind of special sale event. They always are having special sales event, but this one is extra special, and it's got a bunch of blowout prices from the US warehouse. Usually you're sent these, you buy these from China, but these Chinese companies are actually stocking in warehouse now where you order them and you get them shipped straight from the US. You don't have to worry about that shipping from China and stuff. And so the sale that I'm talking about down in the description, which is part of what you need to do, whatever you order at those blowout prices are all going to be shipped directly from the US. So if you live in the US, big bonus for you. Anyway, that's one of the requirements. Check out that. See if you see anything you like. Go ahead and purchase it. It'll help us out on the channel. And I think that's about it. Good luck with the giveaway. And Sanaiya is going to kind of do a little bit of a closing to wrap this giveaway up.
Anyway, good luck. Hope you win. And we'll see you in the next giveaway. Bye.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching. And good luck on this awesome quadcopter. So you want to start this one or should I? You want to? Go.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in, and today we'll be reviewing. What is this?